Alright guys, so let's have a look at SPY. I know market is open, the ETF is still trading. It's been only, 2 hours since market opened, but I'm filming it a little bit early. So what I'm watching from here, so SPY is coming down. If you look at the heat map, yeah, there's some positive stocks, Tesla, a little bit of a gap holding up there. Everything else is negative. If you take a look at the Russell, Dow, NASDAQ, everything is negative. And if you take a look at, let's take a look at what, like Dow, I think it's down 700-800 points at this time. And sorry about that, I feel a little bit sick, that's why I couldn't make these videos a few days ago. I had really hard time. So here's what I was watching. So basically this is a 10-minute chart, and as we talked about SPY, so let me switch to daily. We are still below downtrend, right? This blue line is a downtrend we have been watching. And also right here, right now, this level of 390, basically 390 something, 90.23. So basically that level was support, resistance here, support here, support here, resistance here, support here, and today is breaching below, but it depends where it's going to close, right? So that's not the point. So I want to show you 2-3 things. So as we talked about, let me bring up moving averages. For Christmas rally, what I wanted to have was SPY, S&P 500 at 50-day moving average right at that expiration date, because I knew that there were people who were too long. But let's take a look. I'll show you some other things here. OPEX. Let's take a look at maturity date 16th, SPY, and you can see the maximum pain. This site is called maximumpain.com. You can check it out, and you can see like how much money is about to expire, both on the put side and both on the call side. If SPY this week, big option expiration week this year, closes at that 392, well, it was 391 in the morning, but if it closes somewhere here, or even, it doesn't matter, so anywhere here, it can go to 50-day moving average. If it closes there, a lot of people about to lose money, both on the upside, both on the downside. You can see here open interest for calls and puts, and here's what I want to highlight again. So once all these people get wiped out in terms of premiums, both sides, both bulls and bears, and also volume dries down. Pay attention to the volume, right? This 2-3 days, we have been coming down to with a decent volume. And next week, I don't think next week is a short week. So, but if next week we are somewhere here at 395, 396, I would give it a shot, because I do think that the volume is going to come down, and all of a sudden you're not going to see this much of a volatility. Even though a lot of people expecting volatility, I could be wrong, but this is my thinking, this is my opinion, and I do think that when volume dries up, you can only see people, pretty much algos, take it up to 200-day moving average, this red line, or maybe up to this trend. I'm not sure about trend line. Maybe 200-day moving average would be nice. And if that happens, let's say we are in the beginning of next week somewhere here at 385, and 4-5% would be nice. So back to 400 would be 3.7%, back to 403 would be 4.5%, back to 410 would be 6%. I'm not expecting 6%. I'm not expecting anything more than 5%. So up to 200-day moving average, or this blue trend line, that's basically what I'm watching. And also today, what is it? The SPY is down 2.6%, moving outside of its range. So it can definitely, for the rest of the day, pretty much touch this 50-day moving average. And tomorrow, all of a sudden, it can just pretty much chop or be slightly positive. So that's what I'm watching for SPY. Not a too long of a video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update, maybe this weekend. Take care. Peace.